Select your subject. Add a layer mask to make the background transparent. Select the layer instead of the mask. Press Ctrl+T and make the subject smaller. Select the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection around your subject. Go to Edit. Define pattern. Save the pattern. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Make this layer invisible and create a new layer. Go to Edit. Fill. Contents, Pattern. Select your pattern. Select Script. I use Random Fill, but you can also use a different script. Adjust the density to your liking. You can adjust the scale. If you want, you can adjust the color randomness. And you can also adjust the brightness. If you want, you can add a solid color layer to fill the transparent background areas. Place the color fill layer below the layer with the pattern. And that's how you create this pattern.